My name's Aaron Graber, and today we're power raking a gravel driveway. This driveway leads back to an auto repair shop and a towing operation, so they get a lot of traffic in and out, and a lot of heavy traffic as well from tow trucks and other heavy vehicles. It's also coming out of winter time, and the freeze-thaw effect does not bode well for driveways like this. The Ventrac Power Rake will be able to go through here and renovate these areas and kind of deconstruct and then re-level them and not be so rough on cars going in and out. After about an hour with the Ventrac Power Rake, you can see there are no potholes left, and we were able to fracture the surface and get underneath and really break apart all the gravel and loose stone around those potholes to level everything back off and get everything on the same plane. Aside from the potholes this driveway had, there was a couple very low spots out by the road. That's to be expected because as cars drive in, they move that gravel up the driveway. With the Ventrac Power Rake, we were able to level the whole thing off and move some of that gravel back to get those areas filled in so that the water can go away and it can be a smoother transition from the road to the driveway. Long term, this will keep the driveway in better condition and from further deteriorating as people drive on it.